Sex is a biological classification. Gender is not a classification. And this is what caused the paradox. Contradictory. Right? Contradictory. It's a classification, but it's not a classification. So the first thing we need to understand here is sex is a biological classification. Gender is an identification definition. A biological classification and an identification definition is not the same, they're mutually exclusive. A biological classification is based on a set of categories. An identification definition is based on the meaning of those classifications within the context of those secondary meaning. If you want to look at it from a morphological perspective, derivational and inflectional morphology, define.